guys, today I will show you the unboxing of OnePlus 9 5G. So like this, you can open the box. Let's keep it here. So first you can see the OnePlus 9, very premium looking phone, comes with this glossy back panel, and here you can see the camera module. Let's keep it here. So after the phone we have this lid, and inside you can see the transparent back cover, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, safety information guide, ISR value, OnePlus stickers, and red cable club card. So that's it about the documentation. After the documentation we have USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, here you can see, and here is your fast charger. So that's all you get inside the OnePlus 9 5G box. Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you the OnePlus 9, and as you can see the phone looks really nice. So we'll start with the design, and on the front you get 6.55 inch Fluid AMOLED display which supports 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. So as you can see the touch response is really nice, and you will not face any kind of issue in the display in all the lighting conditions. The brightness levels are good, so if you use indoor or outdoor, definitely you will get good results. And on the right spine you get this alert slider and power button. On the left spine the volume rocker you can see. On top there is nothing except the secondary microphone, and at the bottom of the phone you can see the SIM tray, the USB Type-C port, and speaker grill. At the back the camera module is there, and the OnePlus branding is also there. It comes with this glossy matte finish. So now let's talk about the internal. So it comes with Snapdragon 888 processor, which is very latest and greatest from Snapdragon house, and it is a very powerful processor. So whatever task you will perform, definitely you will get pretty smooth performance. And for the multitasking you get 8GB or 12GB of RAM. It totally depends which options you are going to use. And for camera, it has 48, 50 and 2 megapixel of camera, so that is there. And also at the front you get 16 megapixel of front camera. For the battery you get 4500 mAh of battery which supports 65 watts of fast charging, and definitely you will get a good battery backup. Android 11 is also there with oxygen wear. So 6.55 inch Fluid AMOLED display, Snapdragon 888 processor, 50, 48 and 2 megapixel camera, 12GB, 8GB of RAM. So no doubt, definitely it's a good buy in this price range. Thanks.